Police-involved shooting that made headlines around the world has led to not only criminal charges filed against the North Miami cop who fired his gun, but the fallout also includes the firing of the police chief.
As well as the ranking officer on the scene, Commander Emile Hollant. But as you'll see, many question whether Hollant did anything to warrant such a harsh punishment.
Tonight, investigative reporter Bob Norman digs into the case against the commander, and you can decide, did he deserve to lose his career?
Attention target is North Miami. He's working a 244 with the subject with the gun.
Infamous video of behavioral therapist Charles Kinsey hands up next to a severely autistic client, Arnaldo Rios. Kinsey was trying to tell the cops surrounding him that Rios was not holding a gun, but a toy. Another officer confirmed it on the radio, yet Officer Jonathan Alita, shown here, inexplicably opened fire anyway, shooting Kinsey in the leg. Alita's been charged criminally with attempted manslaughter. He's suspended with pay, but suspended without pay was Commander Emile Hollant, who learned this month he's being fired.
It was determined that Commander Hollant committed administrative obstruction of law enforcement investigation by way of false statement.
You're misleading the community.
In a public meeting last week, several residents defended Hollant and took aim at the city.
These people were against the commander from the beginning. They're just trying to cover this up and cover their butts. Even the department's own assistant chief, Neil Cuevas, called the case against Hollant an unmitigated miscarriage of justice.
We feel that he's been set up.
Hollant's attorney, Michael Joseph.
He's been branded as a dirty cop, as someone that lied.
I did not know what I had at the time. It could have been a hostage situation. All I knew is that there was a man there with his hands up.
That's Hollant in a sworn statement. From about 170 feet away, he initially thought Rios was holding a gun.
Looks like he's loading up his weapon.
That's Hollant on the radio 2 minutes before the shooting. But then an officer closer to the scene clarified.
The person advised that it's the toy car.
Hollant said at that point he decided to go to his vehicle to get his binoculars on 128th Street to get a better look.
As I went to my vehicle to get my binoculars, I heard 3 round bursts.
When he heard the shots, Hollant got back on the radio.
400 shots fired.
It wasn't until a few days later that then Assistant Chief Larry Juriga alleged, based on the radio transmissions, that Hollant lied about not witnessing the shooting, leading to a suspension and a state attorney's office investigation that cleared him.
I mean, it expressly says he did not lie.
Then came the IA investigation, but even then, no other officer could place Hollant at the scene when the shots were fired.
To tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Sergeant Milton Reed testified in the IA that Hollant left the scene and came back with binoculars, but he also claimed he saw Hollant looking through them prior to the shooting, indicating Hollant lied. Yet Reed didn't mention ever seeing Hollant at the scene in his initial interview.
There's a personal vendetta.
It was Juriga, now the acting chief, who not only made the initial allegation, but also made the decision to terminate Hollant earlier this month.
I promise you I'll get with you after if you'd like to have a discussion.
Juriga said he'd speak about the case after the meeting, but that didn't happen.
Why did you tell the chief that Hollant lied? Based on what?
Out of respect to the, Commander Hollant, let's let the process continue. I told you I'd speak to you. You can chase me around.
You said you were going to talk to me after the meeting. Now you're telling me you're not.
Speaking to you after the meeting, I'm telling you the process. When the process is completed, I'll be more than happy to speak with you about it.
You're speaking to me after the meeting to tell me that you're not going to speak to me after the meeting.
I'm letting you know that out of respect for him and his rights, I'm letting the process continue properly.
I think his attorney would argue that he hasn't been shown any respect in this process.
That's his right to argue that. That's fine.
Hollant's attorney has filed an EEOC complaint in the case and says a civil suit is in the works.
They're trying to make him to be some fall guy, and we're trying to fight it.
In North Miami, Bob Norman, Local 10 News.
And Bob tells us that while Hollant has been notified he's being terminated, he's still technically suspended without pay and will have a chance to argue his case at a city hearing that is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon.